Yeah?
Yep.
Here he is, the big dude. He's gonna cross the river. At least he's gonna try. What if he gets stuck? But that thing is just a beast. Look at that. That's a big beast. She finally got stuck. Rattlesnake? Bite ya? Did he poop your pants a little? You probably pooped your pants. Did he poop your pants? I hope you did. That thing will never stop, would it? You just got stuck. Finally! This is not his first time getting stuck on this thing. Whoa! Just fell. Now he's backing it up. He's still gonna try though. Probably. Are you still gonna do it? You're just sitting there in the flood. Watch what? Man, so epic. Oh, what is that? Jeez. What is that? Is that like a big fish or something down there? Are you going up this thing right here? What if you made that? That would be so epic. But he ain't. Evil scientist. I wonder who made this, but this thing is just a beast. Go! I don't know if that thing right there is a snake or not, so I'm gonna throw this sand ball right here. It's not sand, it's dirt. Missed. Let's see this other one. Missed again. I suck. So how was the ride?